Hello, local broke digital artist and cosplay enthusiast Tristan YT. Let's waste time! I guess. You read the title, you know what this video is about. So you decided to learn how to draw on your local school computer because you're poor and you accidentally left your sketchbook at your public school. Before cough 2020. Anyway, prepare to sit at your desk for more than 8 hours and stare at a bright screen that will make you receive extreme back pains and will also isolate you in your room away from your friends and family. So yeah, make sure you have an iPhone, tablet, stylus, or maybe that $1,000 laptop that was spent with your parents' hard-earned money, you freeloader. In a scenario where you begged and lost all your pride just so you could draw mediocre fan art and post it on Reddit. Okay, enough stalling. What you want to do is open up the Goggle tab and type in Autodesk Sketchbook Pro and download the first thing you find. You open the program and get to work. Load up the program, it will ask you to make a canvas in which you stupidly pick the lowest quality frame rate pixel canvas, and all your hard work looks like something that was drawn on a 2008 potato. So if you want to save your sanity, click the others option and then click video or film and click the 2048 x 1556 2K canvas. You got all that? Okay, fine, good. Now, with all that out of the way, you finally have a canvas. Now here's the fun part. Draw something. Me personally, I don't really care what you draw as long as you have fun and enjoy staring at a bright screen for more than 5 hours and have constant neck and back pains. For this tutorial, I'm going to pick a superhero pose and you can just follow along. On the left side of the screen, you have brushes and different pen types, and on the right, you have your layers, and on the top, you have all your tools. This video will be long enough anyway, so you can just follow along and figure it out as we go. By the way, I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm currently hiding in my closet so you don't hear my annoying family play music. Okay, got it? Anyway. As you can tell by my terrible straight lines, it goes to show that I am not competent or know what I'm doing. For all you people that are already giving up on this video, just know that there is a tool that helps people draw straight lines and curvy shapes. By the way, I really find it quite annoying when artists think that they have to do everything from scratch to draw an original character. In my opinion, if you want to draw a good looking character with a dynamic pose, just use references from other artists and look at poses and take your own ideas, apply them to your own creative perspective, and this is how you create your own art style. For references on how to draw a character, I recommend using an action figure, computer, comics, and several books you stole from the library. Now, layers. I use many layers. I start out with using a regular pencil from H to HB, and as more of the layers continue, I will use a different pencil. Once I have finally finished the planned out pose, I move to another layer and start inking. Once I finish the inking process, I start to tweak the shape and move the character in an angle that I want with the transform tool. Now we move on to color. When it comes to coloring, I choose to use the magic brush tool that outlines the areas I want to color. Once the area is highlighted where I want to color, I fill in the area with the paint bucket. This is the fastest way to color on this program. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Okay, now we move on to design. Since I'm drawing a picture of Spider-Man, I'm going to start drawing the webs. This process takes the longest, and it gets to the point where you feel as if your hand will fall off from the hour of drawing a web pattern. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you're drawing Spider-Man, choose a Spider-Man symbol. Part can be fun because the spider has been redrawn a billion ways by a bunch of different artists. If you want an accurate Spider-Man symbol, go to Google Images and download a template of a spider symbol, and then go into another canvas, copy the spider, and then paste it into your own Spider-Man drawing, and then place it on Spider-Man's chest. Shading? When it comes to shading, you can do it multiple ways. I prefer to use a black marker with half opacity and then outline all the areas I want shaded. Then for the white areas, I like to outline the character in a thin pen in certain areas. When it comes to blending, it's kind of like shading in the lighter areas with the darker areas. It's not something I can really explain, it's just something you can either try from trial and error or, yeah, just from trial and error. Jesus, this is a train wreck. What am I even doing? If you're trying to make your drawing more realistic, just color replace the black outline with the color near the black line and blend it. When you finish your drawing, make sure to go to the color layers and press on the HSL and color balance option. This will make your color on your drawing more vibrant and look professional. I can't stress this enough. It will make your drawing look 10 times better. Please do this. So yeah, that's it. I think my drawing turned out pretty good in the end. Wait, you still want a background? Well, that's for another tutorial. Ha! Ha! No.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too